Hello everyone, Happy Chinese New Year. I am Karen. Today is the 5th day of Lunar New Year and we are still having a New Year holiday, but I want to take this opportunity to show you new designs. Nephrite bracelet and necklace. Green is the color of hope, so I hope today's video can bring you freshness, health, and hope. Nephrite is called 和田 jade, 和田玉 in China. Mostly comes from Xinjiang, located in the northwest border of China. Like crystals, nephrite has many grades, which are judged by color, texture, transparency, luster, and flaws. Among all kinds of jade, jadeite and nephrite are the two most expensive jade varieties. And the advantage of nephrite is that it can be 50% cheaper than jadeite. So if you like jade and want to own jade jewelry piece, you can consider nephrite. All jewelries here will be available in my store, DIYnotion.com.